We're out on the X-Class today. Right now we're headed over to my storage unit that I just purchased yesterday, or rented yesterday. And we moved some stuff over there. We got the Kepler over there. But I'm making some big moves here. I'm going to start reviewing more e-bike brands again. And I just wanted to not fall behind, because what I'm seeing is a lot of different brands coming out with new bikes, and I want to take advantage of that. So I did talk this over with Aerial Rider. Come to find out, I can review other e-bikes, so that's good, as well as still reviewing theirs, and they're going to still be my #1 priority. I saw a lot of my peers reviewing e-bikes, of course, and I wouldn't necessarily say I was jealous, because I had the opportunity to review all the same ones. But I really think it took a shot at my YouTube channel, because I haven't been growing like I want to be growing, so I'm trying to make some changes to hopefully improve the growth of my YouTube channel a little bit. We'll see what happens, but the biggest change here is getting a storage unit, getting my house in order. The main reason for the storage unit is to eventually move out of our condo and get a house. Something with a basement, something where I can film, just have a lot of room to do stuff. I got lots of ideas and not a lot of room. Alright, we're here. I don't have my microphone or anything, so I don't know how the audio is going to turn out on this camera at least. Hopefully it's good enough. The microphone's, I think, right here next to me. I'm in the middle of getting things moved over to the storage shed. This is something I've been wanting to do for the last few months, and just a place to store all my bikes and tools and stuff, and be able to come over here and get what I need. Now this side over here, we're gonna stack up probably shelving and put some camping stuff there. Same over here, they'll just be general storage. Probably in the middle here, I'll have a line of bikes just going across. And then back here, I'm probably going to have a little place to work on stuff. Definitely going to help me out as far as being able to do more things with these bikes and get more bikes. And that's the biggest reason I got this storage shed, is I'm going to start reviewing other e-bike brands again, not just Aerial Rider. Here is the setup so far. I got my lighting in. I make it a little bit better for video, especially when it's not daylight out. Give us a little bit more lighting in here. And it's pretty toasty in here, I'm not gonna lie, but what I came here today to do is take a picture of all 3 of these bikes. Now, I don't have the batteries for these, they're at home, and I didn't feel like hauling 20 pounds of batteries on my back plus my camera gear. So I brought all my camera gear with me to take a photo. Here's my camera bag. We can see what's in it real quick. I'm just going to be taking a picture. Here's my newest camera, the EOS R full frame Canon, 30 megapixels. It's pretty awesome. This is a 16 millimeter 2.8. I got a 50 1.4, which is very good for low light, as well as a 35 1.4, which is an L series lens, which is professional quality. It's got the red ring. And then I got the awesome 70 to 200 f4 IS, which is image stabilized. So that'll be really nice. I may switch to this now, switch to this camera and see how it works. Hang on. Here's the X-Class, the Kepler, and the Grizzly all together finally. We're gonna stack these up or line these up right out here. We're going to line up the bikes right here. I'll have to turn the shutter speed up a little bit, sorry guys. They're going to line up right here. I don't have an ND filter for this yet. And then I'm just going to take a photo in front of the storage unit just so I have a thumbnail for my next video, talking about this storage shed and everything I got done so far. Now we got our lighting up. It's working out pretty good. I haven't really got to test it. I need to run these cables up and kind of get them out of the way. So I have some more hooks coming, magnetic hooks, which I'm using one right up there. You can see it. But yeah, these are all magnetized to the ceiling. They're super light and actually really bright for what you got here, and just connected to the light socket there. So far it's been working okay. So let's go ahead and get set up and take a picture of all three of these bikes. Alright, here we are. We're gonna start moving some stuff around. I'm gonna line these up out at the front of the door here and get a picture. Probably gonna angle them. Probably want the Grizzly first though. Let me move this out of the way. This all lined up, I think. Maybe. Kepler. And we're gonna line this bad boy up over here. Hopefully that looks okay for a thumbnail. Now I just gotta get out of here. Think that'll do it. Okay, now we're gonna leave this going because I'm gonna put you on my helmet. This one. So you'll not hear me for just a second. And this bag is awesome. That's all I can say. If you're looking for a good bag for photography or videography or just carrying your cameras around, the Low Pro BP 450 AW2. It's the Pro Tactic backpack. It's super comfortable. I probably have 20 pounds of gear with me right now, roughly. And that carrying it all the way over here, 7.5 miles, was pretty easy. Okay, we are recording. Now we're gonna go up here. And there's a truck coming with our turning. God, these tires are so loud. Like ridiculously loud. I need to swap my V tires, put my Speedsters on here. I do have a set of those on my XP, which I'm not really riding anyways, so could swap those. I'm waiting for V Tire to send me some new tires. Apparently they're gonna have some new ones coming out. I can't really talk about them much, but I would be very appreciative of them right now. I definitely need them. Head this way, avoid the tree limbs. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what I got done so far the last couple days. And this will be the end of the storage unit video. I just thought it would be an interesting video for people out there that are looking to do something similar to make room for things, whatever you're doing. I know there's lots of businesses out there that run their business out of a storage unit, so I guess you could say I'm joining them. Oh yeah, let me swap some stuff here real quick. And you guys will see the storage unit quite a bit, I would think, in the videos now, because that's where I'm gonna, after I unbox and assemble the bikes, I'll be either riding over there and grabbing a different bike, or just putting miles on them to review them, so I can give you guys my honest opinion and thorough review. But my first bike coming out is a Hyoki, I don't know if it's Hyoki or Hyoki Antelope Pro, which is a 750 watt step through cargo bike. They classify it as a cargo bike. It doesn't really look like a full-size cargo bike. Maybe I'll get one of those now. We'll see. Well, lots of new things coming to review. I want to build this channel and make it what I always wanted it to be. Big enough. You know, I would be happy with 10,000 subscribers, but you know, when I get to that point, I probably want more. You're not going to hear me very much here, so I'm going to end the video here before we get to the highway. I just want to say thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. I've had a lot of support in this community and a lot of people giving me guidance along the way. I think it's been very nice to be in this environment. It's healthy and fun. There are some toxic people out there, of course, but that's anywhere, I guess. But yeah, I just wanted to say thanks for watching, and I appreciate you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this. If you subscribe, hit that bell so you can be notified when I upload. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.